truly love being a part of corporate college. I get the opportunity to work with so many different industries and people. What makes us unique is we really focus on the learner, making sure that they can apply that knowledge, whatever it is that they're learning. We are very intentional about how we design the curriculum and how we actually do our training, how we actually deliver it to them. We want it to be very interactive. We want them to start solving those problems while they're in the classroom. So we work with a wide variety of organizations. I mean, everything spanning from manufacturing, healthcare, IT, government, nonprofits, you name it, because they're all here in our community and we are here to serve the community. What I want people to know now is we're still evolving, where we can be transformative. If participants will bring an actual project that they're working on the job, they bring it actually to the class. We work on it during the classroom settings, whether it's one-day session or multi-day session, but then we have that conclusion portion as well. Those are some of the typical things that we have now evolved and incorporated into our learnings that have made them more impactful and actually more relevant to our clients. We're helping organizations solve problems in a consultative way. It really makes all the difference.